Optery review. Is this the best for personal data removal? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever Googled yourself and you've been shocked about what you found online, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into Optery, one of the most talked about data removal services on the market. But is it actually worth your money? We're going to be breaking everything down: how Optery works, how it's going to remove your personal data, pros, cons, and whether this is truly the best option for protecting your data. So let's get into it. Now, what exactly is Optery? Optery is an automated data removal service that helps websites remove your personal information from data brokers and people search websites. You know, those sketchy sites that show your name, address, phone number, and sometimes even your family members. That is what Optery targets. This service works by scanning over 200 data broker websites and people search engines and automatically sends opt-out requests on your behalf. This is a huge deal because doing it manually would take literal hundreds of hours. We're talking about sites like Speakia, Bin Verified, White Pages, and many others you've probably never even heard of. Optery was founded in 2019 and has been gaining popularity as a privacy tool because right now our privacy concerns have skyrocketed. Transparency and privacy are being mended together and no one knows where the line blurs. This company operates with a pretty straightforward mission: help regular people take back control of their personal data. They've also have a very transparent approach. You can actually see exactly what sites they're removing you from. So to get started with Optery, you're going to simply click on the link provided in the description box down below. And once you do, you can proceed with your sign-on. You can sign up via email, Apple, or Google, and it's a very simple and easy way for you to get started with ensuring your privacy and keeping your data safe, because data is being traded in millions, and this data is being used to train AI to proceed with your personal information and so much more. So we're just going to be filling out all of our basic details. Now, once you have completed your sign up on Optery, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. On your left, you have your profile management, where you can proceed with email verification. There are a few recommended actions that Optery asks you to take. If you want Optery to automatically send out requests on your behalf, you're going to have to provide it with some power of attorney. You need to provide authorization so that it can submit requests on your behalf. Then, providing your government-issued ID is an optional step, but it is recommended to maximize the effectiveness of your removals. And you can add your LinkedIn URL as well. Now we're going to go on ahead and proceed. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to quickly verify our email, because that is really important for getting started. And once I click on the link over here, this will complete my basic email verification. Now the next steps, again, they are optional if you want to proceed with adding your government-issued ID, but it's important that you do provide authorization so that Optery can remove any requests. Now, this is their limited power of attorney that you're agreeing to. You can make sure to read all of this before you confirm, and you're going to enter your complete address. Once you do that, you can head on over back into your dashboard. You will see that this has a scan, and you can see that it is going to take around 43 minutes for the scan to be completed. In the scan, I will be able to see all the information and all the data that is currently readily available for everyone to see online. So I would know where my data breaches actually are, what profiles, what data brokers have my data. You can see within this you have a primary scan where it will show you found profile screenshots. This includes data broker and Google search engine results. These are all the sites. So this is their All Sites tab, where you can see all of the websites and the plan coverage. So if you are subscribing to their core plan, would they be able to scan you on these websites? Then you have the exposure risk, then you have link to profile, and then more info. Once your scan is complete, you will actually be able to see on which one of these websites you are available on and how many people are going to be viewing your data. Now below that you have family management as well, where you can opt for family plans to make sure all of your family is secure from data brokers. Then you have your plans. This includes the free plan, the core, extended, and ultimate. More on that at the end of this video. And make sure to use the link provided in the description box down below so that you can get the best deal possible. Now below that you have reporting, which will be completed once your scan is complete. And then you have custom removals, where you're able to submit custom requests for additional data broker profiles not already covered by your ultimate plan. And then you have your general account information. Now within your dashboard, you even have a custom scan option, so you can purchase a custom scan and choose your own start time. And you even have expanded reach. This is going to require a paid subscription, which includes more brokers. So this expanded reach includes 244 data brokers. So you know that if your information is out there on any one of these websites, then it's going to ensure that it is not going to be shared any longer, and they're going to submit requests on your behalf. Now, they have a really huge database of all of these websites as well as search engine results, and the time that it takes for your request to be approved truly does depend on the individual site. Let's say your data was found on Ace Agents, and then they submit the request to remove your data. Sometimes other platforms or data brokers reply within a week. Sometimes it can take a few days. So you will get email notifications. And once your request has been submitted, you will get a notification. Then they will show you all the websites they've contacted and which have confirmed removal, which are still pending. And this can take a few weeks to a few months as well. Some sites remove your data immediately, while others are going to drag their feet. Optery follows up on the stubborn ones automatically, so you don't have to worry about it. You guys can see that we have a round deal where we have links to profiles on all of these websites that were found for our profile, and currently our scan is still ongoing. Now, if you want to get started with Optery, then their pricing is very affordable. Their yearly plans and monthly plans are both super nice, but you can save 17% on your billing if you opt for yearly billing. Their monthly plans are $3.99 for the core plan, which includes automated removals for over 365 sites. Then you have their extended, which includes 535 sites, and the ultimate, which includes over 600 websites. This includes other features such as priority email support, custom removal requests, as well as outdated content removal. And their extended plan has unlimited past cities and state for removals, as well as human plus machine approaches. And you get opt-out progress reports, exposure risk reports, all on their core plan. So is this truly a tool that is going to help you? Well, this is an amazing tool, and it's something that most of us do need in today's world. The pros of Optery are very much basic needs, because everyone wants to make sure that their data is not lingering around for everyone to find. Anyone can look your name up and find your address, find your phone number, find out where you work. So if you want to be protected online, then Optery is the tool for you. The only thing that is going to make you second guess your decision to purchase Optery might be how long it might take for you to get your data off. However, what you would spend months or even years getting your data removed, Optery is going to follow up with websites and ensure that it happens within weeks. So it's not something to fret about. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next.